Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're dealing with dry, damaged hair that just won't bounce back, today we've got something that promises to be a game changer. Redken's acidic bonding concentrate conditioner has been making waves for its ability to strengthen and repair weak, brittle strands. But does it live up to the hype? Let's get into the details. First off, this conditioner is designed for those struggling with damage, whether from coloring, heat styling, or environmental stressors. The key ingredient here is citric acid, which helps maintain the hair's natural pH balance and reinforce the bonds in your strands. It's sulfate-free, which is a big win for anyone with dry or color-treated hair. Now, onto the real-world testing. I use this conditioner as part of my weekly routine, applying it after shampooing. The texture is rich and creamy, and it's easy to distribute through the hair, providing that instant nourishment we all crave. As someone who regularly styles with heat tools, I was eager to see if it could really deliver on its promise to repair and strengthen. After the first use, I noticed a smoother feel to my hair, with reduced frizz and more manageability. It's clear that this conditioner is built for performance. My hair felt softer, looked shinier, and didn't weigh down my fine strands, which can sometimes happen with richer formulations. The scent is subtle but pleasant, not overpowering at all. However, one thing to note is that while the immediate results were impressive, I did notice that its long-term benefits came with consistent use. So, if you're looking for quick, drastic repairs, this might not be the instant fix you're hoping for. When it comes to the pros, this product definitely ticks the box for its ability to deeply hydrate and smooth hair. The formula feels high quality, and I could visibly see my hair becoming less prone to breakage. But on the flip side, the price is a bit higher than some other conditioners out there. So if you're on a budget, it might not be the most economical option. However, the results justify the cost for anyone serious about repairing damaged hair. In terms of comparisons, there are other high-end conditioners out there that also focus on bond repair, but Redken's formula stands out because of its citric acid content. This makes it more targeted for people dealing with extreme damage, not just dry hair. That being said, alternatives like Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner, or even drugstore brands like Pantene's Repair and Protect, offer a similar feel, but at a lower price point. Though, I would argue that Redken's is more potent. The build quality of the packaging is sturdy, and the pump dispenses just the right amount of product, making it easy to control usage. I also appreciate that it's sulfate-free, which keeps my hair from feeling stripped and ensures that any color I have stays intact longer. Now for the most important part, does this conditioner live up to the price tag? The short answer is yes, but only if you're serious about repairing your hair. For those with severely damaged or overprocessed hair, this is a great investment. But if you're just looking for a quick fix or something more affordable, you might want to consider other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews like this one. If you've tried Redken's acidic bonding concentrate conditioner, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Was it as effective for you as it was for me? I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.